We'll guide you through how to fix an iPad not downloading apps. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really annoying as you then can't go and get the apps you want to, so you've got some different fixes you can try. First of all, just make sure the internet is working on your iPad. You can open up Safari and search for something. If it isn't, go and check your router. Otherwise, if it is working, you want to go and open up your settings. Press General to the left and you want to go to iPad storage. Make sure you've got at least a couple of gigabytes free. Otherwise, that is why, and you can go and delete some photos and other apps to go and free that space up. Now you want to go and press General to the left and you want to press Software Update. If there's an update available, go and do it, as this can be a reason why apps aren't downloading. I could go and update iOS 18 or to iOS 26, and hopefully that will go and solve it. If it still doesn't, then what you want to try doing is a forced restart. Press the volume increase, then decrease, and hold down the side power button. Shortly, your iPad will go black. You keep the power button held down though until you go and see the Apple icon, and it's going to start again. Hopefully now you can go and download apps. If you found this useful, then leave a like.